So, Paula coming at you. And I have to show you what came in the mail today. For those of you that are already members of Young Living, hi, and are not taking advantage of Essential Rewards, I'm here to tell you you are missing out. Number one, you can make up to 25% back on whatever you purchase. Whatever you spend, 25% of that goes back in your wallet. All right? And you also get free products. So why you're not on it, I have no idea. And another reason you should be on it is because you get Essential Rewards Kits. Now let me show you this. This is the Thieves Essential Rewards Kit. And everything you see here, I got for $118.50. If I were to purchase every one of these items at retail value, I would have spent $205.92. Okay? And I got it for $87.42 cheaper because I'm on Essential Rewards. And when I spent that $118.50, 25% of it came back to me. Okay? So seriously. And the oil that I was supposed to get for spending $100, I think it was, it was for last month. This is last month. I do mine at the end of the month. And I can't remember what the $100 oil was for last month. I think it was eucalyptus radiata, and it is on back order. So they will send me a 15 milliliter bottle of eucalyptus radiata also. So I got a free bottle of oil, and I got $87.42 discount. No! Sorry about my dog. So yeah, I got 2 Thieves spray. These are good for door handles, cell phones, steering wheels, car handles, door handles, you know, when you go to the store, shopping cart handles. 99.9% effective in killing germs with no chemicals. No chemicals in our Thieves products. All of our Thieves products have Thieves oil as a base. The Thieves oil has eucalyptus radiata, rosemary, clove, cinnamon bark, and lemon. That's what's killing the germs. Potent, all-natural, plant-based oils. Okay? So you can spray this on your children's toys to disinfect. You can spray this on your food. I mean, there's Thieves wash for your vegetables and your fruits that you get at the store. Hand soap. This hand soap I will divide into 2 to maybe 3. I keep these empties. And the little hand pumps come with, okay? I save all of these. I made my own lavender foaming hand soap using these containers. But what I do here to make this go further is this is highly concentrated. So I will divide this up amongst 3 others, and I will fill it with distilled water. And I have 3 foaming hand soaps that are going to kill germs for the price of 1. So I got 2 of those. So in all reality, I've got 6 foaming hand soaps. Okay. Then I've got my Thieves essential oil, which I use to boost my immunity, and I can make my own DIY Thieves products if I choose to do so. Maybe they are out of stock and I need it, I can make it. And the famous Thieves household cleaner. $22. Let's see, retail value. Retail value is $29.61. If you're a member, you will get it for $22.50. So $22.50 at wholesale for one bottle. You only use a capful each time. I can make up to 29 16-ounce. These are 14-ounce bottles. So we're going to add 2 more ounces to this bottle. I can make 29 16-ounce bottles of Thieves household cleaner with just 1 capful per bottle. So you tell me I'm spending too much money. I am saving loads of money, and I got 2 of these. Okay? So we're talking what? What's 29 times 2? 58 bottles of cleaner. So I've got 6 bottles of hand soap, 58 bottles of cleaner so far. Then I got my toothpaste. Then I got my mouthwash. And I got my waterless hand purifier or sanitizer. Just a drop in your hand. Kills 99.9%. And our Thieves spray. So I got all of these products for $118.50 because I am an Essential Reward member. And I got 25% of that money back to put towards another order. And I have a free oil coming yet that they're back ordered on. So get on Essential Rewards. And if you're not a member, you can join for as little as $35. Enroll with the basic kit for $35 and then join Essential Rewards because it will prompt you. You check the box and then put the Thieves Essential Rewards Kit on your Essential Rewards order and get all of this for $87.42, cheaper than if you would purchase every one of these alone. All right, if you need help, I will help you. And hang in there. Bye.